Hello everyone and welcome to your 7th Photoshop tutorial, the Toolbar Part 2. In this tutorial, we will learn about the second category of tools, that are the modifying tools. We will use them and see what actions do they perform, and we will learn how to create new layers. So let's start. On your right in the layer panel, you can see all the layers that you have. Currently, we have only one layer, so only layer 1 is present. You can add more layers in two ways. You can either go to Layer, New, and then Layer, or you can go to the bottom right to this icon and it will create a new layer. Now to import any document inside of Photoshop, one quick and easy way to do that is just select where your images are, just select any image, left click and drag it to your Photoshop and drop it. As you can see, the image got imported. Press enter and then the image will be completely imported. You can use the move tool to move the image as you like. So let's dive right into this. The first tool is the spot healing brush tool. The spot healing brush tool is used to heal the spots or the areas that, for example, you made mistake in. When you take a close-up photo of any person's face, if they have some spots or marks on their face, you can erase those. You can erase any object that accidentally came up in your image. Let's see how it is done. As soon as you select the spot healing brush tool, you can go to the place where you want to apply it. For example, we will apply it over here. Let's remove these spots and then left click and drag. As you can see, the mountains over there are getting removed. As you can see, the area is now plain and smooth. So this is the work of the spot healing brush tool. The second is the brush tool. Now the brush tool, we will learn to use it in the next tutorial, but for now, let's just see that the brush tool is used to give strokes of any color or make drawings and paintings as we want. Let's just leave it at there for now. That's it for this tutorial and thank you for watching.